Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video I am going to talk about plastic bottles. Usually we throw them, but in this video we will learn a new technique to use the plastic bottle. So here is a big bottle, and this bottle usually you can't keep water because this is very massive. If you will keep it in fridge, it will be taking too much space. So there is a proper use of this. With the help of this needle, I can make this a water sprinkler that you can use in your garden. So let's see how I'm going to use. I will take the cap, and now in this from the back side I'm going to make some tiny holes. So now you can see that I have done lot of holes in this cap, so it's ready to use. So after that we will fill water in this, and it's already ready to use. So here you can see beautiful water sprinkler is ready. So that's all. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe to my channel, and we'll meet soon.